Cars.com Auto Review.
Hi, I'm Mike Hanley with Cars.com, and if you're shopping for a sports car, you don't have to spend a lot of money to find something unique. Case in point is the Mazda RX-8. It's powered by an extremely rare for a production car rotary engine, and it has rear half doors like an extended cab pickup. But if you're going to look at this model, there's some sacrifices you have to make. The RX-8 has a really distinctive shape, and it starts up front where it has pronounced front fenders that give the car the look of a hammerhead shark. It also has a smaller version of Mazda's familiar smiley grille, but when you get around to the side of the car, you can see how function dictates the shape of this car to some degree, because it has a bubble-shaped roof that really helps rear seat headroom in this four-person car. The one thing you need to know about the RX-8 is that if you're going to get the most out of it, you have to be willing to rev the rotary engine. It's rated at 232 horsepower at a pretty high 8,500 RPM. And torque is 159 pounds-feet at 5,500 RPM. The torque figure is kind of low, so if you're not in the right gear, this engine's not going to feel that strong to you. One of the shortcomings of a rotary, though, is fuel economy, too. This model is rated at 16 miles per gallon city, 22 on the highway with the manual transmission, and that's worse than both the V6-powered Nissan 370Z and the V8-powered Ford Mustang GT. While not everyone will like the rotary's characteristics, I think a lot of people will like this car's handling. It weighs just over 3,000 pounds and it has a nearly even weight distribution front to rear. So that transmits into really neutral handling. It has some nice weighty steering, and a short throw manual shifter make this car a lot of fun to drive when the road starts to twist. More than most sports cars, the RX-8 makes a pretty good attempt at accommodating people in the back seat. The seats themselves are pretty substantial, and Mazda gives you these half doors that open to aid access to the rear. Now, I had to move the front seat forward a little bit to fit back here. I'm just over 6 feet tall, but shorter people should be able to sit back here with no trouble. The RX-8 has a traditional trunk, and what I like about it is it's a very deep space. It measures 7.6 cubic feet. And if you have a smaller golf bag, you could probably fit it back here. While the RX-8 isn't the most fuel-efficient model in its segment, it offers a lot of practicality that its competition doesn't. Plus, there's that really nimble, engaging driving experience that a lot of other cars can't match.
For more car-related news, go to Cars.com or our blog, KickingTires.net.